I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April the 22nd to April the 30th reading. Ayan, so para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, yun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na medyo pasensya na dahil medyo late tayo ngayong week na ito. Alam nyo naman, ang mga spiritual practitioners pagdating ng mahal na araw, apart from the vacation, ayoko naman magtago sa inyo. Of course, sinama ko na rin yung vacation. Pero I went to a spiritual journey. I went to, a province. And, kumuha tayo ng mga kaunting kaalaman para madagdagan, no? Itong ating gift. So, yeah. Again, babawi tayo. I have a special gift sa inyo by next month. So next month na tayo magsisimula doon. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Well, nasabi ko na magsimula na tayo. Aries, medyo hindi natin alam kung saan papunta, no, itong relationship natin. Hindi natin alam kung baga gusto ko ba mag-back out, gusto ko mag-stay dito, walang gawin, gusto ko maglaho, pwedeng gusto ko na rin mag-move forward. Nakakalito dahil may mga bagay na I feel like meron dito mga mood swings din, no? Ako nakikita. Sometimes either this is you or your person. Sometimes the person is all in, no? Sometimes wala talagang gana. Pwedeng ikaw yung walang gana dahil hindi na ibibigay yung satisfactions natin kahit na kasi siguro tayo ang nagsimula ng kumbaga nag-initiate tayo ng mga moves ng sabihin nating abundance, no? Naging generous tayo sa ating energies, but then again, wala tayong natatanggap na somehow, no, kapalit dito sa mga ginagawa natin. So, we don't know if siguro din tinatanong natin sa sarili natin na mali ba ako sa mga nagawa ko? Meron ba akong dapat may nagawa ba akong labis? May nagawa ba akong kulang? At least sana malaman ko, no, para at least makaka either cope o maayos ko if there's something wrong with me, no? Pero since hindi ko na alam yung gagawin, probably I'm gonna be stuck or maglalaho or back down or step back a bit or probably move forward with the Strength card. Yeah, hindi ganun kadaling bumitaw. Kaya yung, as you can see, there's chain in here, no? Kay, dito sa Lion, no? I feel like there's also something in you na you would probably wanted to say. Meron dito mga communications na nakakasawa na rin magtanong, no? Kasi in traditional tarot, itong Lion is parang fino-force pa magsalita. So, pwede sigurong nagiging sagutan na lang dito is yes or no, no? Kamustahan, sandali na lang yung communication. The communication is not the same. like before. With the Hangman, the King of Swords. I think that this is somewhat, may mga times na intentional, ayokong gawin, ayokong magsalita, ayokong mag-approach. There are also things in here with the Hangman. Tama pa ba yung ginagawa? No? This might be a question of the recipient. Tama pa ba yung treatment sa akin? Tama pa ba yung inaalaw ko, no, na pag-treat sa akin ng person ko? The Hangman is clarified by the Knight of Wands and the Five of Pentacles. One thing's for sure, hindi ito ganito nagsimula, no? Itong cold treatment, hindi ito ganito nagsimula. Let's say, it progresses, no? And parang sinasabi dito, medyo lumamlam, no? And I don't want to be in this position anymore. What I wanted is to have parang reciprocative yung energies, no? Kung ano ibinibigay ko, yun din yung ibinibigay niya. Yes, I am expecting, no, Aries, hindi na tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy pa, no? Kasi kung sinasabi nilang love is not selfish, love doesn't expect something in return, edi mamahalin ko na lang yung sarili ko. We are in a romantic setup. So, kung ganun pala, di mamahalin ko na lang yung sarili ko, sumaya pa ako. So, kaya nga ako nag-i-invest, nagbibigay, no, ng abundance ng aking energy is for me to receive. Kung hindi man ganon, kung hindi man malagpasan, at least the same energy, para hindi naman ako nagmumukhang tanga, no, dito sa situation, dito sa relasyon na ito. With the Devil card, the King of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. All of a sudden, nakakita ko dito ng parang nagiging sakim, nagiging pala, ako na lang palagi, no? Tagakuha, no? I feel like it is because of the generosity that the person is giving. So parang naging trabaho. So parang pag may kulang, hinihingi. Kumbaga, nasanay na or sinanay mo kasi itong person mo na let's say you're giving 100% of your energy. And then kapag kinulang, ikaw ang may problema, hinahanapan ka. Wherein in fact, yun nga, dapat it should be, nagpapalitan tayo ng energy. Ngayon, it's becoming unfair kasi kapag hindi ka nakapagbigay or hindi mo nabigyan yung attention, affection, no, parang ikaw ang nasisisi, ikaw yung may kasalanan sa relationship. And I feel that things are becoming unfair in here. The Emperor and the Knight of Pentacles. So, I think that the person built something within the relationship na hindi naman siya ganun dati. I think na meron din tayong contributions why the person became the monster, no? Or the person that we don't want to be with. Kasi masyado nating sigurong na baby, no? Masyado nating naibigay ang mga luho, na masyado nating naiparamdam, no? Walang masama sa pagpaparamdam ng love, no? Pero katulad nga, no, kahit gaano pa kasustansya yung pagkain na binibigay mo, kung sobra, no, kung sobra-sobra, nagiging obese, speaking. Yes, obese na po ako. So, nagiging obese. So, lahat ng sobra, medyo, nagkakaroon ng bad implication. So, kahit maganda yung intention mo, it felt like dahil sobra, parang ang nangyayari dito sa person na, sa recipient, more of nagiging trabaho, no? Trabaho mo na yan, you placed yourself there and I'm expecting, no, for you to do the same thing, no, at least every day or monthly, what have you, kung anong routine, yun yung hinihingi, no, ng recipient. With the Judgment, the Lovers, and the Ten of Wands. So, ang mahirap sa loob, or mahirap tanggapin, mahirap din isipin, na Ito ba yung taong makakasama ko for the rest of my life? Ito ba yung taong makakasama ko pang matagalan? Yung taong, ito ba yung taong nakalaan sa akin? Kasi ngayon pa lang, nahihirapan ang aking kalooban. How much more of a time? No? Kasi naniniwala din naman si Aries na may progress. Pero how much more of a time na kailangan ko manatili dito? Kaya gusto ko nang umikot, no, yung gulong ng kapalaran, so that I am not going to be stuck in this situation with the Five of Swords and the World card. Ang sinasabi naman kasi dito is medyo, alam ko medyo papatid na ang pise, pero with all these, sabihin natin sacrifices, with all these patience na ibinibigay natin, someday soon, magbabago din naman. Someday soon, nakikita ko naman yung, kumbaga, tables will turn. No? Kasi I'm seeing here that you are winning. Now, I want to get some more cards here para sabihin natin message from the universe, no? Kasi nakakakita naman ako ng pagbabago, pero siguro ikaw naiinip ka, kailan pa? Nandito ka sa sitwasyon na hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko, no? With the Page of Swords, the Seven of Swords, the Temperance. Nakikita naman natin na merong mga, let's say, may mga pangako, no? Ginagawa naman yung pangako. May mga times na sabihin nating pulido naman, mangilan-ngilan, no? Pero at least nagagawa. Pero mas karamihan din yung parang our person is failing us, no? Nakikita ko naman yung pagpupursige, no? I think that our person needs longer time to process things, para maudawaan niya. Hindi kasi parehas yung processing, no, ng pagkakaintindi. Hindi ko sinasabing mahina, no? Iba yung way of pagkakaintindi nila sa mga bagay-bagay, pero at least sinusubukan. There's still some failures that I am seeing in here, pero matchambahan na rin naman at maibibigay sa iyo kung ano yung ninanais natin. Kaya kung meron man tayo dito mga sabihin natin, mga hinanakit, tiis-tiis lang dahil I'm seeing changes, nagbabago naman, nagfe-fail lang, pero pahaba naman ng pahaba, no? The more that they attempt to do things, the more that they master, no? Itong kanilang mga pangako sa iyo, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto ko lang pong ipalala sa inyo na dun po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, nagla-live po tayo dyan. And if you want to join, you're very much welcome to do so. Kung hindi nyo maabot yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, no, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating live sessions. Doon po yan at sa ating description box, no, there is a link. Punta na kayo doon sa ating website. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Na doon po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I am seeing Gemini, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Aries, Capricorn, Scorpio, no? This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.